With that, we are ready to begin qualification match number 4 on field 2. In 3, 2, 1, go!
We have some highly ranked teams on both of these alliances, one for red, one for blue. One of the robots in each of the alliances are in the top 6, for which they will be in alliance captain position for playoffs at the end of today. So far, with 15 seconds remaining in the autonomy period, robots running pre-programmed robot instructions. Over on the red line, we already have 4 classified artifacts, 3 on blue as well. The correct is purple, purple, green, and it looks like red perfectly merges that. Completed with just one more green artifact and autonomous.
Drivers, pick up your controllers. 3, 2, 1.
As I was saying, our current motif pattern is purple, purple, green. For each artifact in that pattern, individually considered, it will be an additional 2 bonus points at the end of autonomous and teleop. It looks like we have some defensive action here coming from 16655. That is nuts and bolts. It looks like they're actually just their way to the blue goal so we can line up right against that wall and shoot some artifacts in there. Over on the blue side, 4 lined up to obtain some artifacts. Human player loaded up. Right behind 16655 volt. 54 is going to elect to shoot from the front side of the launch zone. 1 minute and 10 seconds to go. With a score of 50-42 for your red alliance. Blue alliance, we have 40-54 lining up to shoot from their front launch zone, electing to shoot from the launch zone closer from the scoring table. And the scores are tight and tight, 56-53. I think the blue alliance is actually catching up. It's probably from the strategy of 40-54 to shoot from the audience side launch zone. As it's closer to the loading zone, there's less driving time. But the red alliance is continuing to pull away, but they're actually, as the scoring catch up, they're still neck and neck with 2 points apart. We'll have to see how the score develops and see who pulls ahead. It might come down to the end game with a full blue classifier ramp. They're actually going to open that up. Red alliance electing to keep it closed. It's going to be interesting how that open classifier ramp impacts the score at the end. With a score of 80-75, red remaining in the lead this entire match. It might come down to the base points at the very end, 32-95, right in the middle of their base zone. So does one of the Blue Alliance robots with 1 second to go. Very interesting dynamics and decisions, and very interesting strategies of where to shoot. We'll have the referees finalize those tallies, and we'll see who pulls up ahead.